Today I am going to explain another rap of England Gambit. Okay, this rap for 3. Okay, we can start right now. I am going to move d4. Okay, this particular rap for black. This is an amazing and good Gambit rap for black. Okay, next move is e4, e5. Okay, now attack the pawn. This is called England Gambit. Okay, next move is d cross e5. D cross e5. Okay, another move of black, knight c6. Okay, now attack the pawn on e5. Okay, e5 pawn attack with black pieces of knight. Okay, next move is knight f3. Okay, now defend the pawn with his knight. Okay, another move is queen e7. The black move is e7. This is called England Gambit complex. England Gambit. Next move is bishop f4. Okay, bishop f4. This is the white move. Another move of black, queen b4 and beautiful check. Now you can see another move of white. White going to play bishop d2. Now black the check here. We will see what happened continuously on this game. Next move is queen cross b2. Okay, now attack the rook, threatening for rook. Okay, we will see the opponent white which piece he will move. Okay, he now moving bishop c3. Okay, now attack the queen. That's why bishop b4 go to the b4. Bishop b4. Now pin the, you can see right now. Now pin this line. And now the white bishop can cut this queen. Okay, you can understand right now. That's why now white going to move bishop cross b4. Okay, after that knight cross b4. Okay, now attack the c2 pawn. This time 3 variation of move of white pieces. You can see right now. First one is knight a3. Okay, otherwise the other move is knight d4. Okay, sorry, knight d4. Okay, knight a3 or knight d4. Okay, this move is black move. Another move is a turn knight here. Okay, we will see 3 variation of this England Gambit. Okay, go back and go to this move. Now after knight cross b4, after the move of white, knight a3. Okay, now another move of black, queen cross a3. Queen cross a3, take the knight and go back. Another move is knight d4. Knight d4. This time a very common move, this move, knight d4. Okay, another move is queen cross a1. Black win easily right now. Okay, we can go back. Another move is knight vd2. Okay, this is a blunder, I think. We will see what's happening. Another move of black. Knight cross c2 and we will check. Now black queen should capture the c2 knight, c2 knight. Next move is queen cross c2 and queen cross c2. Black wins this game. That's it. This is a very good rap for England Gambit, rap 3. That's it.